Say good morning. Good morning. I'm having my morning coffee. Woke up, had a good sleep, and it's 9 o'clock. Good. Don't know what I'm going to do today. You mothers out there, do you have electrical kids' toys that go off by themselves when your child's not even playing with it? I keep hearing, okay, they're all in the living room, right? There they are, all in the living room. Something, I can hear this bloody toy that just keeps playing. And I know exactly what toy it is. It's that one. I keep hearing this. And it only plays when I move it like that. You seen the way I had to flick it? What the heezy? Shut up. Or else I'll be turning you off. That'd be scary if it kept going even though it was switched off. Then I'll be looking for a new place to live. I actually thought I didn't vlog that much yesterday, but I actually did when I'm editing it. 12 minutes long, so cool. Hi, pretty thing. You need a shower. I needed to be freshened up so I can brush your hair. Yeah, I know. It's yesterday's vlog. Love you. You're wearing Auntie's beanie? Cool, dude. What colour is it?
Red.
Good boy.
That orange.
No, I didn't say it was orange. Hey, drop that dun dun dun. Go, you sing it. Go.
Don't drop that dun. Hey, don't drop that.
Oh, it's Dirky Dirk. Hey, drop that Dirky Dirk. Hey, don't drop that Dirky Dirk. Is that how it goes? How does it go?
Hey, don't drop that.
Dirky Dirk. Really high. Excuse me. Play with food and hop off the table. You know the rules. Whoa! You're right. Oh my god. Crazy. Oh, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. No. No. Mia, Coda, come here. Coda, come here. Coda, come here. Our friends need to see your cuteness. Just if I had the tools back then to vlog when I had them, I would have filmed their birth. Not, you know, camera right on my for JJ, but you know what I'm saying? Probably would have had more subscribers. But I love the ones I've got.
Sugar?
Sugar? Yes, jelly is sugar. It's got a lot of sugar. Get out of my cupboard, you. Do you want breakfast? You haven't had breakfast, have you? She's like me. She cannot eat first thing when she wakes up. She needs to eat about 2 hours after, because I've tried giving her food, like breakfast, as soon as she wakes up. She's sitting at the table for like a good 45 minutes, just sitting there and hasn't even touched it because she's just not hungry. But then, like an hour and a half later, she's hungry for breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name? You want a drink? You want a drink? Just as I was about to put Coda down, I see this cuteness. Nizoni's sharing her oranges with her sister and her cousin.
To me. To me. Yummy. It's donuts. Yummy. Huh? Oh.
Got something in your teeth.
teeth.
Mm.
I got some teeth too.
Oh, okay.
Cody's got some.
Yeah, I know.
Mommy, my sister's falling out.
Oh, okay.
It's gone.
Yeah.
How take it out? Not gone. Look.
Yeah.
That's not even gone.
Oh, okay.
I'm not even not gone.
Yeah.
But until your teeth never gone. Mommy, she doesn't have sharp teeth.
Yeah.
Mommy, look. Hi, Mommy, we're done. I finished more.
Aren't you finished?
I finished more.
Do you want more, Coda? Oh, very good girl. Very good. Yeah, put it in the sink. Over here. Put it in the sink. Good girl. In the sink. Well done. Well done. Good girl.
Mommy.
Yeah. Do you want more?
More.
Okay. She wants more. She's eating her oranges. She loves them. Yesterday I was offering her mandarins and she was going, "Bleh, bleh," like she doesn't like them, but then she likes oranges. Weird.
Closer. It's not sour. Mommy, no! Are you eating? Mommy! Are you eating?
Playing that game of Insidious? Oh,
Conjuring.
Conjuring, that's it. Okay, this is the fourth clap, which it was only meant to be 3.
I've only had 5. Oh.
You've had 4. It's only meant to be 3, so we'll give you 1 more, okay? Clap now.
I keep hearing it from there and there. Blood bathroom, because if she is, I've already been in here. On the floor.
Hi, Papa. Carly is going to massage my legs. Nizoni's tired. I bet you she'll fall asleep. And I am getting a headache. Oh my god, I'm zooming out. Sorry. That's so nice, Coda girl. Oh, nice, Nizoni, thank you. Oh, nice. My girls are massaging Mama. And my niece is massaging her. Oh, your hands right on my elbows, right on my guts, Nizoni. Real. Ouch. Not in my guts, Nizoni. Hey, drop that conk-a-dunk. Oh, how does it go?
Don't drop that dirty dunk.
Oh, dirky dirk. Hey, oh. Don't drop that dirky dirk. Hey. I know, I look like poo. Had a bit of a headache. That's what happens. Today, mate, not trying. It's pretty cool. Bye bye.
Hello!
Dude, I promise she is. Can't you just ask her something?
They're having fun while it's cool.
Can I get wet?
First U.S. president.
Please, can I get wet?
The father of our country.
Can I get wet?
Abraham Franklin.
Look at Coda. She's daydreaming. She's like, I don't even know what's going on. What's happening? My cousins are fighting over that green thing that squirts water. I messaged my retail property. I emailed again about the maintenance and about my aircon because I want to have it on high and not have it leak when it's been on for more than 2 hours. And then I rang up. Shannon told me to email first and then ring up, and I did. And she goes, no, there's nothing here. And then she emailed back to that email I sent this morning, and it's the same email that I've been emailing this whole, like, for a good year. And she goes, nah, I'm sorry, I haven't gotten this email before. And I'm like, I sent this on, yeah, liar. Whatever. So, oh my god, they're being losers. Hey! Get it to sit down! Get it to sit down!
Do they not know she's going to fall off the tram?
Yeah, she's right on there, making a stand on the edge while her squirt them.
Is she sitting down?
Yeah, they moved it in more.
God.
I know, like, don't think about it, eh?
What happened? Did you pick it? Son, it's nearly...
After the debate, you disappeared as fast as those credit cards. So, I didn't follow. I gotta say, you upset me. Do you know what happens when I get upset?
It's only been a short vlog today. Nothing much. Just thought I'd say goodnight. Good night.
Alrighty then. We're getting ready to do the sister tag. We thought we'd do something, I don't know, funny, maybe not, maybe funny. Again, I'm gonna vlog them in bed. Look at her.
Like holding her side.
Yeah, holding her chin up. Oh, we just did the sister, well not just did it, I just finished like editing most of it. But we did the sister tag and I was like, after it I was like, man, I feel sick, hey. Anyways, I started editing the sister tag and then I vomited. I went to the bathroom and vomited, or I don't know, I was eating jelly, I think I vomited that up. Ugh, so gross, but I feel better now. And then we had a bowl of muesli with some yogurt. And everyone's asleep and it's like 12:30 a. Oh, 12:35 a.m. Thursday morning, and I have got someone coming for a wax tomorrow, so I better get to sleep right now. Good night. Oh, she would have deadlocked them because now she's got a security screen. Has she got home keys on these keys? Like the front door keys?
No.